And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Leslie Boswell about how added hormones are never used in poultry or pork products.
Well, now she is back with a recipe to share with us, and here's a treat that should please the pumpkin lover that's in your household.
Well, this is the time of year when you want to have all things pumpkin, and we have a recipe to share with you now. Joining me again is Leslie Boswell with CommonGround. Leslie, it's good to see you again.
I'm going to share with you my husband's absolute favorite dessert. This is pumpkin ice cream. Very simple. We're going to start with some brown sugar and some spices. This is a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can throw in a little bit of clove if you want to, and some salt. Just to bring out, the salt brings out the sweet flavors. We mix that up just a little bit, and then I'm going to add 1 can of pumpkin. Get the spices and the sugar all mixed up into the pumpkin, and then you add the ice cream. And it's really just this easy. Now, for the crust on this, you can do this 2 ways, really. Actually, 3. I have a 9x9 pan here. And I made a graham cracker crust in here. Just graham cracker, sugar, and butter. Put it in there, mix it up, press it down good enough. Now, you can also put this recipe is about the right size for a pie pan. So you can get a store-bought graham cracker pie crust. And you can use that. Or you can double this recipe and put it in a 9x13, which is what we usually do. Now, this is a great one to be made a day ahead. Or maybe even 2 days ahead, depending on what you got going on. When you get it all put together, you can throw it in the freezer and just let it freeze until it's set. See, I've got pumpkin, I've got it mostly mixed up here, ice cream. Everything should look great there. You pour it in the crust, stick it in the freezer, and you're done. Here's one that I did earlier. I did this one in the store-bought crust, pulled out a piece, and I'm surprised it made it to morning. But this is a really good, fresh, clean, cool pumpkin dessert that will work for just about any kind of gathering.
Thank you very much, Leslie, for that great idea, and we appreciate it very much.
Thank you, John, for being in my kitchen.
I need to give that a try.
Yeah, that looks awesome.